In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a client portal in Wix. Whether you're providing services, selling products, or managing memberships, a client portal can be an essential tool for your business. Let's make sure your clients have a seamless and personalized experience on your website. To get started, head over to your site's dashboard. Once you're there, navigate to the Apps section. This is where Wix offers a variety of applications to enhance your site. Look for the Wix Members Area app. You can use the search function to find it quickly. Once you've located it, go ahead and install it from the Wix App Market. This app is the backbone of your client portal, providing essential features for managing memberships and member interactions. Now, with the members area set up, let's make it easy for your clients to log in. In the website editor, you'll want to add a login bar. To do this, go to Add Elements, then choose Community, and select Login Bar. The login bar is usually placed at the top of your site for easy access, but you can position it wherever it suits your layout best. Spend some time customizing its design and settings to match the aesthetic and functionality you want for your site. You can configure options such as sign up and social login from here. This will give your clients flexibility in how they access their accounts. With the members area and login bar in place, it's time to focus on the member pages. When you install the Wix members area app, it automatically creates several member pages for you. You'll find these under pages and menus in your settings. These pages typically include a My Account page. Here, clients can manage their profile information and interact with their account settings. Depending on your business needs, you might also have pages like My Orders or My Wallet. You can add new content specific to your clients by creating additional pages. Remember to use the permission settings to ensure these pages are accessible to members only, keeping the information secure and exclusive. Finally, you'll want to test everything before making the portal live. Sign up and log in as a new member. Navigate through the portal to ensure that all features function correctly. This testing phase is crucial as it allows you to experience what your clients will encounter. Once you're satisfied that everything is running smoothly, save your changes. Then publish your site to make the client portal accessible to your clients. Congratulations! You've successfully created a client portal in Wix. This portal will help provide a tailored and professional experience for your clients, enhancing both engagement and satisfaction.